Hi, I'm Mahbub Gassemi with 22 years of teaching experience. In this video, I'll solve an exciting question for you. Stay with me to the end.
To solve this problem, imagine we have a square with side length equal to 1. Inside this square, there's a hexagon with equal sides. Let's call each side x. Now, if we look at the corner of the square, we can see a right triangle has formed. In that triangle, the hypotenuse is x, and the two legs are both 1 minus x. Why? Because the full side of the square is 1, and we're taking away x from that. So now, let's use the Pythagorean theorem. It says that the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. So we write, x squared is equal to 1 minus x squared plus 1 minus x squared. That simplifies to x squared equals 2 times 1 minus x squared. Now we expand that expression. The square of 1 minus x becomes 1 minus 2x plus x squared. So the equation now says x squared equals 2 times the quantity 1 minus 2x plus x squared. Multiplying the two in, x squared equals 2 minus 4x plus 2x squared. Next, we bring all terms to one side of the equation. X squared minus 2x squared plus 4x minus 2 equals 0. That simplifies to negative x squared plus 4x minus 2 equals 0. Let's multiply the whole thing by negative 1 so it looks cleaner. X squared minus 4x plus 2 equals 0. Now we solve this quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. We know the formula is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of delta all over 2a. In our case, a is 1, b is negative 4, and c is 2. Now we find delta, which is the discriminant. Delta equals b squared minus 4ac. So we get negative 4 squared minus 4 times 1 times 2, which equals 16 minus 8. So delta is 8. Now plug everything into the quadratic formula. X equals 4 plus or minus the square root of 8 divided by 2. The square root of 8 is 2 times the square root of 2. So the expression becomes 4 plus or minus 2 root 2 divided by 2. Now factor out the 2 in the numerator. 2 times 2 plus or minus root 2 divided by 2. The 2's cancel out and we're left with x equals 2 plus root 2 or x equals 2 minus root 2. Now we check the results. The first one, 2 plus root 2, is approximately 3.14, which is too big. The side of the square is only 1, so this doesn't make sense. The second one, 2 minus root 2, is approximately 0.59, which fits perfectly inside the square. So the correct value for the side of the hexagon is x equals 2 minus root 2, which is about 0.59.